So the project we had to do, it was an all about me project, so our teacher could get to know us more. So we had to divide the paper into 8 sections, one for each color: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, white, and black, and then 3 things in each section. Well, at least 3 things. And then, yeah, it has to be stuff like describes us or things we like, stuff like that. I spent a lot of time on mine, mostly at home, because I didn't get that much done in the 2 days we had at school, but I think it looks really, really good. So anyways, here it is. So here's my all about me project. I think it looks really good. Hopefully you guys do too. Show you why I drew everything I did. So starting with green, I drew the Angry Birds King Pig because pigs are my favorite animal. And I also like the Angry Birds pigs. It's in my logo actually. And I drew a Sour Patch Kid because Sour Patch Kids are my favorite candy. I'm actually wearing a Sour Patch Kids shirt right now. If you can see that, Steph Curry Sour Patch Kids collab. It's pretty epic. And then I drew grass and trees because I like to play outside. Then for purple, I drew color purple. It's like a paint thingy because purple is my favorite color. Thanos' face because I like Thanos and Marvel. I was him for Halloween last year actually. And Mace Windu's lightsaber because I like Star Wars and Mace Windu's lightsaber is purple. And then for orange, I drew a big basketball because I love basketball, watching it and playing it, basically everything about it. And then orange juice because I like to drink orange juice. And a stick bot because I like to make stop motions with them. I have a ton of stick bots, and if you didn't know, I have a YouTube channel called Pixel Life Studios, which was my first channel where I post my animations and stuff on it. So make sure you go subscribe there. We're 2 away from 70 subs. So for white, I drew the Steph Curry logo, Under Armour logo, and a book. Steph Curry logo obviously because I love Steph Curry. Under Armour logo because I wear Under Armour like every single day. A book because I like to read. And then for red, I drew a YouTube logo because I love to watch YouTube all the time and make videos. Strawberry because it's my favorite fruit. An NBA logo because I love the NBA. For yellow, I drew a pencil because I like to draw, obviously. And then pizza because it's my favorite food. And the sun because I like to play outside. I'm not really sure why I put the sun because I hate it when it's hot, but I put it anyways. Then for blue, I drew a Curry shoe. It's the Curry 302. I actually have this same shoe right here. I made an animation with it on my other channel if you want to watch that. Then for blue, I drew the Warriors logo because I'm a huge Warriors fan, not a bandwagon. I'm still a fan even when we won 15 games this season. So then I drew a sketchbook. It's the sketchbook I have right here. It's my new one, so I only have one drawing actually in it, which is my best drawing. I'll show you it later. Then for black, the last color, I drew camera. This is the camera I'm using right now. And then Black Panther mask because Black Panther is my favorite Avenger, favorite superhero. And rest in peace Chadwick Boseman. I drew him right here. This is the only drawing in this sketchbook, and it's the best thing I've ever drawn. So if you haven't yet, please go check out that video where I drew him. I posted it 2 days ago. And then lastly, I drew an Xbox controller because I love playing video games. So yeah, that's my entire project. I drew a lot of drawings, so it took me a long time. Here's another look at everything I drew. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.